Are you planning to start in cryptocurrency but somehow you still don't know how or why you should start this? Check this out! Now here are some of the reasons why you should also consider entering in cryptocurrency market. A lot of people are asking, hey Jonathan, para sa akin pa talaga yan? Pwede pa talagang kumita dyan? Magkano ba yung kikitain ko dyan? But for me, the most important thing that you should also ask yourself is, bakit ko ba kailangan pasukin ito? And paano ba ito makakatulong doon sa ginagawa ko? So, here are my top 3 reasons why you should enter cryptocurrency market. And the first reason that I believe is in cryptocurrency, you don't actually need huge capital. Number 1 is low capital and high income. Sa madaling salita, pwede kang mag-start na maliit na capital and pwede kang kumita ng malaking income. Take a look at this. Imagine, most people think para kumita ka ng mas malaking pera, kailangan mo rin ng mas malaking capital. And basically, ang unang iisipin natin mga Filipino, lalo na, ay tayo tayo ng traditional business. But the reality is, having a traditional business, the question is, magkano yung kakailanganin mong capital para makapag-start ka ng traditional business? Let's say, restaurant, coffee shop, and yet you don't have a guarantee kung magiging consistent ba yung income mo, magiging consistent ba yung kikitain mo. Tama? But what's good about cryptocurrency is you can start small. And here's another thing. Most people think na for you to start your cryptopreneurship journey, ay, kailangan kong bumili ng 1 Bitcoin. But that's not actually true. The reality is, you can start even at small or even at 50 pesos. Yes, 50 pesos. Hindi mo kailangan magkaroon ng malaki. But here's the thing. If you're going to ask me, okay, Jonathan, ikaw ba, ano yung suggested mo or suggestion mo if magkano ba yung pwede kong simulan? As a beginner, my suggestion is start at least 5,000, 10,000 pesos. And by the way, I'm not a financial guru. I'm not a financial expert. I'm sharing something with you that's based from my personal experience and the experience of our community. So, madaling salita, by starting at that amount, depende, you can start 1,000 pesos. You can also start like 5,000, 10,000, 20,000. Kumbaga nasa sa'yo yun. But the idea is, hindi mo kailangan magkaroon or sabihin natin, hindi mo kailangan ng 100,000, hindi mo kailangan ng 500,000 or even 1 million pesos for you to start your online business or your business. And basically, what I call or cryptocurrency is what I call a non-traditional business. Now, when you say non-traditional business, hindi mo kailangan ng staff, hindi mo kailangan ng office for you to make money. Hindi mo kailangan ng what? Hindi mo kailangan ng mga operation expenses. And the second reason is cryptocurrency is an home-based income opportunity of the present. You can make money while at home. And at the same time, you can make money kahit nasaan ka. Now imagine, let's say, gusto mo magkaroon ng negosyo, traditional business. Now the question is, if gusto mo magbakasyon, gusto mo mag-travel with your loved ones, gusto mong, let's say, magbakasyon, basically. My question is, yung business mo ba ay pwede mong dalahin kahit saan? And second question is, let's say, nagsisimula pala yung negosyo mo. Yung business mo ba ay pwede mo nang iwanan? And in reality is, in most cases, as an owner, and especially kung nag-start yung business mo, di ba dapat andun ka? Di ba dapat isa ka sa nagfa-facilitate, isa ka sa nagmamanage? Kasi nagsisimula pa lang. I'm not saying traditional business is bad. However, if you're looking for an income opportunity, if you're looking for that kind of income generating machine na kung saan meron kang peace of mind, wherein anytime you want to have your, personal or sabihin natin gusto mong bakasyon, pwede mong gawain without having a headache na iisipin mo what's happening with your business, ano kaya nangyari dun sa operations namin and so on. And the third is, no sales skill required for you to make money. Hindi mo kailangan maging, or sabihin natin, mag-hard selling. I came from this industry called direct selling for how many years? For more than 10 years, 15 years, in fact. And I realized na para kumita ka ng pera in direct selling, kailangan mo magbenta. And there's nothing wrong about it. In fact, I love that industry. And until right now, malaki na itutulong sa akin ito. But the reality is, what if mahihain ka? What if hindi ka sanay magbenta? Okay? What if wala ka pang sales required or sales skills? The question is, If you want to make money and the idea is kailangan magbenta ka para kumita ka ng pera, my question is, paano ka makakabenta? Now, again, I'm not saying it's bad. In fact, it's a good industry. However, what if there's an opportunity for you to earn money, to make money while at home or kahit nasaan ka na hindi mo kailangan magbenta? And that's what I like about the industry because there are different ways of how you can make money through cryptocurrency. And bonus, Bitcoin is a store of value. Okay, let me repeat that. Bitcoin is a store of value. Now, let's talk about inflation. Imagine, meron kang 1,000 pesos. And 10 years ago, di ba ang dami natin ang bibili sa 1,000? But 10 years after, imagine, punta ka ng Starbucks, punta ka ng grocery, sobrang konti na lang ng mabibili natin. If your idea is to save more money, then eventually, after 10 years in the future, yung inipon mo, gagamitin mo siya, my question is, kamusta yung buying power ng pera mo? Every year, tumataas yung inflation rate. Meaning, tumataas yung bilihin and bumababa yung buying power ng pera mo. Bakit ko sinabi Bitcoin is a store of value? Because 10 years ago, Bitcoin has zero. Walang value. But as time goes by, from zero, it went up to $4, it went up to $10, $1,000, and even went up to $20,000. And another reason why it happened, because it's of its limitation. Meaning, there are only limited number of Bitcoin and there are only maximum 21 million supply. What Robert Kiyosaki said, there are 3 types of money. And the first type of money is what he called the God's money. Basically, ito yung gold, copper, silver, ito yung mga diamond, okay, cannot be created by human beings. And the second type of money said, ito yung government's money. And when you say government's money, ito yung mga fiat currencies, paper bills. And technically, this is where the inflations come in. And the third type of money that Robert Kiyosaki mentioned is that the people's money. And he said people's money is Bitcoin, Ethereum, or cryptocurrency. I'm not a financial expert, I'm not a financial guru, but what I'm actually sharing with you is something that happened in the past that's still happening right now. But wait, before you go, please don't forget to subscribe and press that bell button below so that you will be notified of my next video. So once again, this is Jonathan Tinoco and your cryptopreneurship journey starts here.